Hello guys, I'm back again. In today's video I want to discuss how I update my server. I'm running a Gentoo server, so I will show you how I do it. It's pretty much automated. I don't really need to do anything for it, but yeah. Let me show you first. Let me log in into my server. So that's it. This is a website that I use for testing only. It's not really a website that has anything special on it, just for testing. So yeah, let's log in into it. So and now I have a folder called cd scripts. Sorry. And inside I have a script that I wrote. So this is your typical bash script, and I will explain what it does line by line. So this actually is responsible for updating the database, the Gentoo database, before running an update. Second line is when you actually sometimes when you perform an update, it will ask you to update first the portage. So the portage is actually the package manager from Gentoo, and the command line is simply to used to update the whole system. And then the second line is actually it's for getting rid of all the old dependencies, because Gentoo will keep them if you don't get rid of them. It will be those will be kept. So yeah, you have to perform all these updates. So what I do is I pretty much run it as one command, as you can see. As you can see here, this backslash. Now about this line. So what it says is it's actually I haven't mentioned something important. So when I perform the update, it sends me a message automatically via email. So I get an email from the server saying that the update has been successful or not successful. So that's actually what it means. So for example, if I give you if I give you an idea, if I give you an example of what it does. So this command will check if the previous command has been successful. So I will show you an example first. So say I type, I don't know, hello guys, and then I close the brackets. This will give me a message. And now if I run this command, this will be 0. It means the command has been successful. But if I enter a command which doesn't exist, for example, this one doesn't exist. Obviously, it's not a command unless you make an alias. But I mean that's off topic. So now if I run the same command, so first let me activate the Vim mode. Now if I run this command, it gives me the same error message. That's pretty weird. Oh, that's because I run this one first. So yeah, let me run the EEE again. And now when I run echo, it gives me an error message. I mean, this is a sign that it's not successful. So that's what the script does actually. Oh shoot. So it checks if the previous command has been successful. So if it's not equal to 0, then I will have an error message. I will send this whole command. So yeah, it's a pretty long command, and I'm using the mail command, and this is the title, the host name, the date. Then I also include an email address, but it's not a real email address. It's a fake email address. And I also include this file in case because yeah, maybe I won't have access to my server right away. Maybe I'm gonna be on a business trip, but it's always nice when you have how should I say it? When you have a log file that you can look into, so you can have an idea already of what you can do, or to solve the problem, and then I'm sending the message to this email address. Now, if the opposite, if it's successful, I'm going to run this command instead. So yeah, the same command, but instead there's no. I'm not including the file in this case because it's successful, and yeah, I'm closing the if statement, and that's basically it. So maybe we can run it, but it's going to take. It's Gentoo, and there's only one. Yeah, it's going to be a long process if I run the update now, and maybe I can show you something as well. That it's actually so I have a script that I wrote, and this script is run at 10 every Saturday. Is going to be run, and it's going to be run at 10 p.m. as you can see, and also have another script for renewing my certificates. But anyways, so maybe yeah, let's clean. Doesn't work on servers apparently. I can try and run the update, but it's going to be a very long one. So because if there are not too many packages, maybe we can have yeah, we can let it update. But if not, I'm going to stop the video now. Yeah, and every time I run this update, there will be a message. There's going to be a message sent to my email account. So yeah, I don't know if it's worth it. It's going to be update first. It's going to update portage, which usually doesn't take that long, but we can wait. I guess it's almost the end of the video actually. So so yeah, let's wait a bit. I mean, like I said, it's a server and it's only running on one core, and it's not gonna be the same as a real computer. If I give you an example of my current configuration, you will see that I have 16 cores. So the server that I'm running is only running on one core, so yeah, it's much lower obviously. But yeah, let's wait until hopefully it's gonna finish soon. Okay, this is only portage, and now is the time for the actual update. Okay, I think it's going to take a while, but I don't know if I should stop the video, to be honest. I mean, you guys can decide. Oh, actually, there's only 8 packages to update. So yeah, I don't know. I hope there's no big package, because Gentoo has quite a lot of big packages. And they take a while to compile, like for example LLVM, what else, Qt web engine, but it's not installed on the server, so it's not going to give me it's not going to take any time. Yeah, maybe it's going to be too long actually, but anyways, it will be I guess it will be educational. And in the meantime, no, I don't want you to see my mailbox because it's personal stuff, obviously. But yeah, you can rest assured that these updates are going to the email is going to be sent, and I will receive a message that it's completed successfully. Yeah, I think it's gonna take a while actually. I think I'm gonna stop the video. But yeah, you guys have an idea. I can if you're interested, I can give you the script, but it's very basic Bash script, and there's really there's really not much to it, to be honest. Okay, I will wait until this Go package is finished updating. So this is the programming language. So maybe I can give you an example. So this is actually this package. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Where is Go actually? I thought it was under devlang Go. It is okay. It is under. Yeah, that's the package that is currently updating. But yeah, it's taking its time. This is awkward, but anyways, this doesn't really matter. It just about the most important thing is the actual script. This is what it's about. Let's wait. No, actually, I think I'm gonna stop the video. But yeah, it would be better maybe if I have 1 or 2 packages to update, and they're not big packages. But this time it's really, I think it's gonna take too long. We're gonna be here forever. But yeah, just to give you an idea, yeah, what it's possible, and most people don't like using Gentoo. I mean, I use Gentoo for everything. I use Gentoo as a desktop. I use Gentoo as a server, and I will make a separate video why it's actually a good idea to run Gentoo as a server. And if you guys are interested, you can watch the video when it releases. But yeah, I just love Gentoo. I just love how flexible it is and how modular it is. Yeah, I'm never gonna get away from Gentoo. I'm not gonna run anything else. I'm not one of these. I mean, lots of people like to distro hop, like as they call it. But for me, Gentoo is just the way to go for me. No, actually, guys, I'm gonna stop the video. So I will see you in the next one. But yeah, you can rest assured that is gonna be a mail. After this, I'm gonna receive a message that it's actually running. That it's actually been completed successfully. So yeah, I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.